user can able to review what are the combinations are defaulted for my invoice, right? So receivable account, rounding distribution account, revenue. From where these accounts are defaulted? From where these combinations are defaulted?
Options.
Sorry?
No options.
Sorry?
No options, sir.
Don't give the all answers from the system options only.
Transaction types.
Transaction type. How system understand this account should come from the customer side or salesperson or transaction type? Did you control any key setup?
Auto accounting.
Excellent. Very nice answer. Auto accounting. If you remember, we mentioned auto accounting, my receivable account, my revenue account, tax account should default from transaction type. I given as a value source. Then I assigned GL combination at transaction type level. First it will go and verify auto accounting logic. Then it will go and pick from the source level, right? So rounding account defaulted from system option. Receivable account, revenue account defaulted from, okay, transaction type controlled by auto account. If you want, you can override. You can see the columns, show all. Okay, right. Then save and close. I'm not changing anything. Next. Next. Click complete and review. Make cannot. Click complete and review. When you click complete and review, there are many functionalities updated under action window. This is important and for AR invoice. So now invoice become the complete status. Then your delete option was disappeared. Then when you click complete option, you can see complete, accounted not at, posted to GL not at. We are not at received amount from the customer. It is not credited. It is not printed. It is not voided. So very good information as a tracker. Then go to like actions. Then you can see the, okay, review installments. You can see the review installment as a due date. We choose in the immediate. So your due date is today itself. Then, if you go to actions, even AP invoice level, if you go to action, we have the installment. AP, when shall I pay to vendor in a year? When shall I get, so what date I am going to receive the money from the customer? That is control, right? Go to action, review installments. Then you can check the review distributions again. What are the accounts are defaulted from particular source controlled by auto accounting. So you have to explain all information when we are in the training for the, okay, client users in CRP1, CRP2, UAT. So you can see again same code combinations, right? Next one. So can I delete now? Yes or no?
No, sir, no.
So if you want to delete, you can click incomplete and make it delete. Right? You can't modify also. Right. Next, go to actions. You want to create a duplicate invoice, then you can create a duplicate with the same detail with the new invoice number. Then adjustments, I will show you later. You can create a dispute. If you have any conflict with the customer, he complained you will keep this invoice as a dispute. Credit transaction means you can create a negative lines in future for corrections for return goods. Then accounting draft. We have same facility in AP also. Accounting draft. Make a note. Okay. Right. Receivables debit revenue. So that rounding account did not shown because there is no rounding account. Okay, facilitate to add that line, right? That. So in this case, you can go on to overwrite if you feel it is wrong code combination assigned. Then go to post to ledger. You can see the view accounting. This entry will go to GL updated as with the your batch name, your journal name as well. It will run the some concurrent scheduled programs in the monitor process level or scheduled process level. Then go to view accounting. You can see you can show all. After accounted, you realized you entered wrong combination or wrong combination defaulted. You can do the override that facilitated even AP and FA in Fusion as a new functionality. Override account is the new functionality in the Fusion. So you can override that. We will test one day. Go to view accounting again. So you can see the accounting period, which is transferred to GL. Your batch name, see like Oracle given the batch name as a default, journal entry name, your transfer date you can see. So you can go to GL, you can query with the receivables as a source. You can see the journal entry as a posted status. That if you go to complete button, option complete yes, accounted yes, posted yes, GL, paid no. So next go to actions, view balance detail. This is one of the important. So your invoice amount in future you can apply, receipt will be updated. Then adjustment discounts, we can test all scenario day by day. So next, can I delete? No. Can I modify? No. Then you have the option only you can correct it as a 0 through credit transaction or adjustment that we will discuss one day. Then click the view image. Click the view image. Click the view image. You can see how your invoice is going to print. You can able to see with the logos. This will be customized by BI template with the technical team. They will register in our instance dev environment. Here you can see Anjani Cement or Dell computer. You can see all detail. You can see remit to address, your customer bill to, ship to, your purchase order number which you given, your invoice date, your line total. So you can see all details, cement bags. Okay. Right, your send payments to remit address means we are giving the information to customer, hey, you can consider my address to send the payments as below. Right. Click OK. Then when you save or complete, when you completed this invoice, your transaction details will send it to the customer, which you are controlled at system options level. If you remember, we control some option, but we are not created that integration with the Google Mail. Then make it save and close. Team, any doubts on it? Any doubts?
No, sir. Sir, a few of the customers in the they will mention the bank account details also, right, sir? We can update that also, right? In send to below
No.
that invoice.
Customer giving the money to us.
Yes, sir. Customer giving money to us. No, they sometimes, sir, AP we are. I think I have to ask. I forget to ask this. They will while receiving the invoice, we'll found the bank account details also, sir.
Yes, same facility available here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, run the standard or seeded reports. Next step, run the standard or seeded report. Go to reports and analytics, important report in here, even EBS and Fusion. So run the transaction detail report. Make a note, transaction detail report. Transaction detail report. Right. So you can run the transaction detail report whenever you require. You can see the all details as well. Then next, inquiry the transaction. Third step, you can select the transaction date, or you can add the invoice number, such it. So I created only one invoice here, Anjani, as it today. You can see here, you can duplicate. Going forward, you can search the, okay, with the credit transaction creation, dispute, adjustment, review installment, view accounting, view balance details, view transaction activities. You can see transaction activities, one of the important and going forward. Okay, right. So you can see much information, right? Then, so third step I explained. One is creation, inquiry, and report. Then next note, how to verify or how to check customer open balance. Customer open balance from the front end. How to verify, how to check the customer open balance or customer open receivables and customer outstanding from front end. Go to review customer account details. Go to review customer account detail. Then go to review customer account details. Give the Sri Balaji. It should show. Okay, but here there is the bug. There is a bug in our demo instance. Make a note. I am unable to see the customer account detail. Then run the concurrent program to update or to refresh my customer account detail. So if you don't get this data, how do you handle it? Where do you check why customer account details is not populating? Anyone can guess? Anyone can guess? Suppose you have seen same issue in the real time. How do you handle it, Tama?
So Metalink.
Excellent. You can go and search in the metallic. Okay. I don't remember exact name. Let me check it, metallic. What is the page, Amma? What is that page? Exactly tell me. Customer outstanding or customer open balance?
Customer open balance.
Sure.
Yes.
Let me check it. Review customer account details. That page review. Yeah. Okay. So if you see here, I search here, then you can see here billing review customer account details is not populating. Then what Oracle giving? Process receivable transaction for customer account summaries. Refresh receivable transaction for okay summaries. It will be available. Did you understand? Right. Let me try. Go to scheduled process. Right. Okay. I will run the process. If you're not able to see, unable to see customer open balance, then run this program. Right. Then update customer and account summaries. Click OK. See, even you can see these type of things. If you are facing this type of things testing time, you can include that is as a mandatory steps to be performed before go live, any instance. Next one, we discuss, right? Refresh, right? No. So refresh receivable transactions. Last batch also I shown you because of our instance issue. Real time it may not come. If comes, we can complete these jobs. Right. Next, go to home page. Go to billing. Then task name. Customer account balances. You can search 3. You can see. Right. Do you remember? Account number. Anyone noted? Anyone noted? Customer account number.
136009, sir.
Yes, sir. 136009.
13.
6009.
Excellent. Very nice. Now you can see here. Now you can see the customer number. So open receivable means outstanding with the currency, due date, pending amount. You can see activities in future. You can see all information. Clear? Right. So I completed this one. Next, How to verify journal entries in GL? Go to home page. Go to General Accounting Journal. This is our regular navigation. Okay. Go here. Manage Journal. What is the source I should give here? Logical. Receivables.
Receivable.
Receivables. Search it. Right. You can see your invoice accounting entry here as a customer receivables debit. Your sales or revenue credit. Right. So you can see accounting date 31st because it is taking 31st. We need to change the subledger accounting method level as a summarized by GL date instead of the GL period. So you can see here. So you can see here, you can do the drill down. Okay, you can do the drill down. What is the invoice created by AR team? You can. This is a line drill down facility available since EVS option. This we can call line drill down facility. So GL accountant would like to know this 3,50,000 generated by single invoice or multiple invoices. You can happily review the all subledger information from here. So you can see the view journal entry. You can see the transaction. This is a very good facility in the Fusion as well as EBS option. Right. Any doubts? We tested only one scenario as a manual invoice creation. View image, again, view detail, view accounting, view installment. There is no dispute option. There is no adjustment option. There is no credit transaction because review level, Oracle never give the any activities to be changed. So review level, you can see only few options. View transaction activities also you can see. Right. Any doubts? Any doubts?